Hey guys, what is up? I am here doing a cleaning video today and I've never done one before, so I'm pretty excited for you guys to see it and you'll have to let me know if you like it.
They all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try.
I usually start with the kitchen counters and cleaning them off, and Ellie is in the beginning of this video, but this is going to be like during her nap time.
'Cause you never show.
I'm swimming.
You swimming?
Yeah.
You are funny. Okay.
I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Now we see the camera.
Hi.
Now we have video. And to see the eyes on the watercolors. I want to see the pasta.
You want to watch Paw Patrol?
No.
Oh, you want to show them your Paw Patrol? Here. Look at that. So nice.
Pasta is so cool.
So cool. Oh, nice.
Nice. I go watch the pasta on the wall.
Okay, can you pick up your marker off the floor?
Yeah.
Right there. Yellow. Go get it. So our dining room table is usually where everything ends up. We lay everything on our dining room table. So I did clean it off a little bit, but I did organize some things over there in the corner. It's usually just school supplies or notebooks, so I can write down to-do lists and YouTube ideas.
You want
to give me a hug?
Yeah.
Another hug? Oh, I love you. Oh! I dropped my AirPod. Hug another.
I go color.
So now I'm unloading the dishwasher. I hate dishes. Eric usually does them, but I made him leave them for me today.
I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you live. Ooh.
I love these silicone bibs from Mushy. I'll have them linked down below for you guys, but they are so easy to clean, come in the cutest patterns and colors, and I just can't say enough good things about them. I just got this Mr. Clean Freak stuff just the other day and I absolutely love it. I'm using it here to deep clean my sink after dishes.
Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it. Can't fight it, I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
If you didn't know by now, I have a husky and a long-haired cat, so hair just collects everywhere on my blinds, on these bar stools that I have, and on my dining room chair. So I have to just dust and pick it off, and then I vacuum. So now I'm using my Shark Steam Mop to mop my kitchen floors. I actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace for like $15, and it's super nice. It just is so easy to use, and I like how I can take off the pads and throw them in the washer. So now I'm just moving on to the living room and picking up all the toys, organizing all of these blocks. I loathe putting away these blocks, but the kids really like them, so we keep them up here. I've ever talked about this vacuum before, but it's the cordless Dyson V7, I believe. It is just my favorite vacuum I've ever had. I'm so glad I invested in it. It's lightweight. I love using it on my couch, on my carpets, on my kitchen floors, my hardwood floors, anywhere. I love it so much, and it's just amazing. And it comes with this cool charging wall mount.
Okay, so I saw this thing on TikTok to make your house smell really good. So you take any scent of Unstoppables. This is actually my favorite. It's new, I think. It's a collaboration with Old Spice. So it smells like cologne, and it's just amazing. I use it for my laundry, and I'm gonna do this. Fill up a pot of water, boil it, and then once it's boiling, you pour these in. And then when it's cooling down, after it dissolves, you can put it in a spray bottle, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't even know if I have any spray bottles, to be honest. Okay, while that's boiling, I have to go pee. Pregnancy props. I'm sitting down now, my back hurts so bad. So now that Ellie's awake, I'm gonna call it a day. We're about to make dinner, and then I'm going to bed. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you for the next one.